Guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with the GroundLuxe grounding mat. It comes in a handy dandy case, and I'll show you. Pop it out. And it's pretty big. So we have the cord and the mat itself. Peep. So the great thing about this grounding mat, and I've been using it now for about 2 years, is it's durable. The backside has the type of texture so it doesn't slip and slide if you're on tile floors. Then the front side is easily washed. You can clean it down with like a damp cloth and it won't get messed up. And it's pretty good. It's thick. You can see that. It connects here. So this little piece will go here. And the cord is very, very long. Mine's a bit tangled, but this then plugs in. This end will plug into the outlet. So it's a grounding mat, so it goes into the grounded part of a 3-prong plug. And you can use the tester that comes with it to see in your home or wherever you're using it, how if that outlet is good for it. It'll light up. But you just put it, and what makes it great is you can have this length, you could put it anywhere. So if you have to put it, the outlet is further from where you happen to be, that's no problem either. So this is the GroundLuxe, as in instead of GroundLuxe, ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, a play on being grounded. And it is luxurious, so I think it's great.